In this video, you are going to see how I made this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape, hold down the Shift key and drag it over here like this. Place it over here, press Ctrl D to duplicate and keep it like this. Now select these three. Press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this and select all of these and adjust it like this. Now go to shape format, go to shape outline, make it no outline and press Ctrl G to group them together. Click on right button, go to format shape, go to fill, go to picture or texture fill, go to insert from a file. Let me choose a picture from my computer. This is looking perfect. Now go to design, go to format background, go to solid fill and change the background fill color. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box, drag it over here and write title here. Change the font color to white color. Change the font, increase the font size and place it like this. Again go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box, write here one, select it, change the font color to white, increase its size, change the font like this. Again add another text box, add some demo text over here and decrease the font size and change the font color and adjust it like this. Now select these two, press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this, press Ctrl D to duplicate and change the number to 2 and over here 3. And here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.